Welcome to my channel, Marvel Fashion Trends. Please like and subscribe to my channel. You are the missing piece to my soul. Love is the bridge between hearts. The best love is effortless. Your love colors my world. Love is timeless, just like us. Every moment with you is my favorite. Your love is my greatest adventure. Every love story is beautiful, but ours is my favorite. You are my today and all my tomorrows. One lifetime isn't enough for us. Love shines brightest in the dark. With you, every day is magic. You are the dream I never want to wake from. Forever starts with you and me. Your love is the rhythm of my heart. In your arms, I've found home. Love is the only language the heart speaks. You are my once-in-a-lifetime love. Our love is my forever favorite song. Where there is love, there is life. Every heartbeat whispers your name. Your love is my heart's greatest treasure. In your smile, I find my happiness. Every day with you is a beautiful journey. Love is not perfect, but it's real. Loving you is my greatest blessing. True love never fades, it only grows. The best love is the one that feels free. You and I, always meant to be. You are the poetry my heart writes. I loved you then, I love you now, I'll love you forever. Your love is the light of my soul. Love is not about time, it's about connection.